Okay, look. See, what you find is that the birdseed the consistency mixes to the seed. Look at this, look, it's fucking brilliant.
We just mix it up and it will gel together and it will be one lump of
Let's go down the roof, let's go. Come on. There's some shoes. Shoes! You got to keep watch though.
I know.
Go, let's go, son. No, got too light, handled. Around it?
yeah. Might as well. I'm going to make sure nobody's in there.
Is there anyone in there?
We put out this guy.
Who's in the caravan?
I don't think there's anybody in it. They're all in the flyer, aren't they?
They've got a bit though. Do you know what number they are though?
The only person that I think was staying in the van was John Hersey.
He ain't gonna know he's thick. Once the damage is done, it's done.
We can go park a little bit away.
Yeah, we'll walk round.
And we'll run in the other direction.
Yeah. Part 2.
It's going to be funny in the morning. Oh, I can't wait. That's going to be amazing.
See all the birdseed going on there? Oh, can we run up and go with the beat?
How's it go again?
See what going on there? All the birdseed and everything all went up there. Ain't nice, funny. Fucking perfect.
Did much go on the floor there? Nothing?
It's all around the back of the caravan, they're not going to see it.
We put it so that
I'd say 90% got on that roof.
yeah. Oh, definitely. Definitely. Fucking be going mad. That fucking bird of fucking rays is going to go fucking mental.
For all that fucking poppy birdseed shit.
Oh, a bit of water.
Why water? Because it sticks, the seed sticks to it then. So I just did the other bit.
Oh, did you?
Then you want the rest of the bread?
The rest of this bread, mate.
Wait! Oh no. Oh, some music going.
Yeah.
Hide the evidence.
What is it? Check. Shut the door.
Right, the door's locked.
Is that it? Is that all the loaves? There's another loaf left. We only put one loaf on their roof.
No, we never. 2 loaves we put in there.
We couldn't have, because it's free here.
No, we put 2 loaves in there on their roof, and there's 2 loaves again.
Yeah, but there's another one here. We couldn't have.
How many loaves did we buy then?
4.
Four.
Oh you've used the proper bread.
No, yeah, the proper bread's there.
50. Oh, yeah. Well, why have I got 2 packets in?
There's one in there and one in here.
That's not enough.
We need to do that one over there again. We need to do that one. We need to do that one again. Alright.
2 loaves each.
I reckon one loaf is enough. Actually, because that was a lot of one on that roof, wasn't it?
No, get some more on it.
Fucking loads, mate.
The roof, weren't there?
We'll do theirs, because we'll do theirs with all the rest of it, the others.
What, them?
No.
What, rounders?
Yeah.
How many seagulls everywhere? I think that's enough. I really do believe that is enough.
No, not for Earthy. Come on, we'll load their caravan up. They won't be able to see fuck all around there tonight, so they won't know it's going on, will they? Well, shall we find out where fucking Lil's caravan is?
Oh, God, imagine that.
Whose?
Lil's. Danny Evans.
They're not going to tell us what I'm doing. No way.
She's over this way anyway.
That's enough.
She's in Kestrel over here.
That's enough. Save that loaf.
Why? Oh, you got to take that home for Vicky, innit?
Yeah, she's probably one like a brew, won't she?
Use that up.
I think we should throw some more on theirs on the way round.
Alright then, if you want to do that, yeah.
We'll throw some more on their roof.
I'll just throw these bits here on there.
Might as well throw it all in. We'll put the bird seed in as well. Full packet of bird seed. Countryside. Environmentally friendly.
Oh, this is going to be absolutely majestic. This is definitely one for the cameras.
Well, this has killed the time for the next hour and a half, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's it, we're in. We're all out. We're all in.
We're all in.
Just the right consistency.
And the check.
Give it a good mix.
Rummaging through the
Yeah, we've got to get rid of these.
We'll get a bit of consistency down here. Yeah,
Yeah,
so it amalgamates together, then we can make a bird seed
Right.
bread pudding.
That's it, son, isn't it?
Perfect. Oh, wait, that is absolutely. I'm telling you,
That consistency is perfect.
that is absolutely perfect.
Check it. Evidence.
Can we just check?
And it can...
Just check in there for a bit of consistency. As you can see, the bread pudding seed,
Bread pudding!
seed a la carte is coming together.
Come on in, we got to do it while we can. Let's go. In the car.
Unfortunately,
Drive round.
this is 2
Do
recordings,
you know what
mate.
number they're in?
No.
Yes, 37.
Are you sure?
Oh no, we know what they're in anyway.
Yeah, we know.
137, yes.